sequence initiated. All systems nominal.
Quality check confirmed on Sector 3. Moving to Sector 4.
Classified materials verified. Implementing military engineering protocols. Maintaining military-grade specifications.
Quality control check on the turret system complete.
All parameters are within spec. Certification issued.
From initial manufacturing to operational readiness validation, we ensure hardened system integrity for global military deployment. Performance testing confirms operational effectiveness in the simulated scenarios. Good. Initiate the global deployment sequence based on these protocols.
Monitor the stabilization matrix during integration.
Tolerances are nominal. We have a green light across all protocols.
Operational effectiveness confirmed.
Utilizing classified production equipment, we maintain the highest quality standards, ensuring combat readiness for global military deployment. We utilize classified production equipment, implementing military engineering protocols to ensure strategic precision in every unit. Utilizing classified production equipment, we optimize ruggedized assembly for extreme operational environments. Quality control sequence complete. All tactical systems are nominal and meet specifications. Sequence utilizes classified production equipment, implementing military engineering protocols to maintain combat-proven reliability and operational effectiveness.
Falcon Heavy, target acquired. Firing laser.
Target destroyed. Good impact data.
Utilizing classified production equipment and military engineering protocols, we maintain hardened system integrity, ensuring global operational effectiveness.
We're utilizing classified production equipment to integrate these hardened electronics, ensuring they meet battlefield requirements. Blast impact registered. Analyzing armor performance now.
Systems check is green across the board. Quality check metrics are green across the board. Good.
Proceed with the integration sequence as planned.
Diagnostics complete. System green.
Confirmed. Ready for deployment.
Strategic manufacturing precision is integrated with real-time tactical feedback, guaranteeing operational effectiveness for global deployment.
We've verified the engineering protocols. It meets combat-proven reliability standards.
Certification approved for global deployment. Our ruggedized assemblies are hardened for extreme operational environments, utilizing classified production equipment.
Ensure calibration aligns with the CLRT protocols listed above.
Confirmed. Running the diagnostic sequence now.
This section here, the classified protocols must be strictly followed during manufacturing.
Understood. We prioritize tactical readiness above all else.
The calibration sequence is holding steady at 99.1% adherence to mil-spec protocols.
The integration of hardened electronics meets battlefield requirements, implementing strict military engineering protocols throughout the classified manufacturing process. Utilizing classified equipment, we implement military engineering protocols, validating operational readiness for immediate global deployment.
Final integration is nominal, switching to active deployment zone telemetry.
Acknowledged. Confirming operational effectiveness metrics.
Ensure all data links are encrypted per military protocol.
Confirmed. System shows green for tactical deployment readiness.
Tactical performance is nominal. Simulation looks good.
Preparing the global deployment sequence now. Robotic arm engaged. Requesting authorization for transfer sequence.
Clearance verified. Transfer authorization granted.
Impact registered. Analyzing structural integrity.
Readings are showing red. The armor solution failed military specifications protocol.
The systems integration is proceeding on schedule, adhering to all classified specifications.
Good. Utilizing classified production equipment, we implement military engineering protocols, ensuring combat-proven reliability and operational effectiveness for global deployment.
Vehicle armor holding steady under heavy fire. Thermal reading stable.
Implementing military engineering protocols ensures operational effectiveness throughout global military deployment.
Implementing military engineering protocols ensures operational effectiveness. The system integrity checks confirm combat readiness for global deployment.
Implementing military engineering protocols, our classified equipment ensures ruggedized assembly and combat-proven reliability for global deployment.
Combat simulation stabilized. We have green status across all engineering protocols.
Acknowledged. Initiate deployment sequence immediately.
Look at the schematics here. We need to adjust the hardening process.
Acknowledged. Implementing revised engineering protocols now.
Material received. Check level 5 verification status. Confirmed. Protocols active. Processing sequence looks nominal. Standby for power initialization. Connecting mainframe to UHF link. Link established. Beginning data transfer protocols. Tracking system shows Convoy 47 en route to Sector Gamma, ETA 0600 Zulu. Confirmed. Rerouting air support for timely delivery.
Material fatigue is reduced by 18% with the new alloy. That meets the threshold for operational validation. Proceed with the prototype integration.
Maintaining manufacturing excellence requires strict adherence to these defense standards.
We must prioritize the new classified production protocols starting Segment B.